today we are going to fix my lawn. As you know, in my other videos, my lawn looked horrible. But today, I found out that I have grubs. Ugh. Today, I'll get rid of them, put my lawn back to where it was, nice and green. Stay tuned and watch it. Okay, here we go. I have my Scotch builder here. I read the instructions. It's set at 3.5, so we're going to put it at 3.5 and take it from there. Hopefully this does the trick. I want to renovate this lawn, but I want to kill the grubs first. So I'm going to start in about another week and a half to do this, and I want to start killing some of these grubs so it won't damage the grass seed when the roots start growing up. So watch the video and enjoy it. I have another little piece of lawn over there. I'll show it to you in a minute, and so you can see. They had a feast on my grass. Man, I'm upset. This is one hell of a salad for them. Well, there you go. I used the grubex, which I picked up at Home Depot. It's not that expensive. It's pretty cheap. I'm hoping it works. We'll get rid of the grubs. Once we get rid of them, we're going to rake, detach, or thatch, not detach, thatch the grass, and maybe put a little bit of topsoil to the level, some peat moss, some grass seed, and I have perennial ryegrass. And between the grubs and the heat, wow, it took care of my grass and it burned it just like that. So stay tuned for the next video where it's going to probably be another week before I go ahead and start the project. So I see you in about a week, maybe a week and a half. And don't forget to subscribe. You know how it is, down there, up there, on the side, you know how that goes. Don't forget to hit the bell, the like button. Mike Ray speaking, always.